We now have curriculums, we have classes with students, and what next? Next step will be to create assignments for them. By opening the class, we can see what kind of content they are going to learn and what kind of content is made visible for them. In this case, none of them are visible, so if we will click on appropriate button, the bookmark with its content is going to be public for them. This is the way to control which content the students can see and use. To create assignments, we will switch the tabs, click on the new assignment button, and it will greet us again with this pop-up dialog where we can specify the assignment name, give it start and end date, instructions, and so on. But most importantly, we can associate the assignment with the bookmark and its content. So in that case, a student will find all appropriate information to complete the task by using the material from the attachments which was associated from the bookmark content.